The secret to this stuffed calamari is all in the filling. It will be soft and tasty. This is a recipe that you absolutely have to try. Let's get started by cleaning the squid. First, detach the head gently from the body, remove the inner fin, and give it a nice rinse. And then, separate the tentacles from the eyes. And remove the beak too. Use a small knife to help you remove the skin from the squid. Do this very gently, okay? We don't want to break the body tube. And chop the tentacles with the knife. All done! With the clean squid on one side and the tentacles on the other, let's begin to heat up a clove of garlic in some oil. I'll also add the anchovies and let them melt, and I'll add in the chopped tentacles. Let that cook for a minute at medium-high temperature, and I can remove the clove of garlic. Time to add in the breadcrumbs. And mix that up well, so that way, all of this nice flavor will get soaked up by the breadcrumbs. Deglaze with white wine. Make sure to stir and smash those breadcrumbs. We want to make sure that they will absorb all of the seasoning. That's enough. Let's transfer the mixture into a bowl and let it cool. Add in the egg, the grated Parmigiano, the fresh parsley, and a nice grind of black pepper, and give that a good mix. Try to mix it up as much as possible, and then transfer the filling straight into a piping bag. Now I can start stuffing the squid. Insert the tip and fill, leaving just 1 centimeter of space from the edge. And then, with the help of a toothpick, seal the squid just like this. And now, we can cook them. I've heated up a drizzle of oil in a pan, and let's cook the squid at a medium-high temperature. We will let them cook for 4 minutes without touching them. This way they'll form a nice crust underneath. And now we can deglaze with some white wine, let it evaporate, then lower the heat a little, and cover it with a lid. And let the squid cook for another 5 minutes. The calamari are ready. Turn off the heat, and season with some fresh parsley, and with the ever-present lemon zest. All we have to do is plate it. But now let's taste them, huh? They are so soft. You should make them. Try them.
Ciao.